Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to get true or false when if all the elements is in a list is all the elements are satisfying a particular condition, bring that one true or else false. Okay, so one I want all the elements in a list satisfy a condition, I need it true. Okay, so this kind of conditions checking is very useful in writing a very complex formulas. Okay, so at that time we are very panic and how to return true if all the elements are satisfying my condition. Then when how can I return true if the students marks if all of them are pass? Such conditions we are very panic at that time. We tend to write very complex formulas to get true or false, but I show you a very simpler method to return true or false if all the elements in a list is true. Okay, so see here my list is I have two lists and I want to check if all the elements are less than 10, I need a true. All the elements are less than 10, I need true. Okay, so I'll show you how to write a condition. I want to write a condition that and I check, I want to put all the set of elements. If it is less than 10, I want to just close the bracket. Okay, this will help you for if all the elements less than 10, I want to true, but there is a thing there. Okay, I just enter what it says is the value. Okay, there is a error part. Okay, but what we need to do is this condition involves the array, and this array is going to be checked whether it is less than 10 or not for each element, and this condition is going to be an array condition. It is a array formula, so you need to control shift enter. You see, you have written a array formula, so it is enclosed by braces, and you come up with a false. Okay, the result. So this is a single cell array formula. Okay, this array formula returns only single output. Okay, so now I change this 10 to some value less than 10, 9, 3. You see, it becomes true if all the elements satisfying the condition less than 10, it becomes true. Okay, so one of the condition I make it 16, it is not satisfying, so it becomes false. Okay, similarly for the next list, I want to write all the elements of list 2 satisfying less than 10 condition. It could be any condition, I just put a less than 10 condition. So you get a full set or range of the array. Then you put your condition less than 10. Okay, then close the bracket, then control shift enter. You see, it is false because one of the element is greater than 10 or equal to 10. Just I make it as 9. You see, it becomes true because all the elements, it checks one by one, and all the elements are satisfying the conditions, all of them are true, so it becomes true. What if it is 2 by 10 array? Okay, very similar, equal to, and the whole array 2 by 10 matrix less than 10, it will become true or false, but it is a array condition checked inside, so it will become a single cell array formula press Ctrl Shift Enter, then false. Okay, now you see all the elements become false because here one of the element here is 16, so it is false. But whereas individually it is true, it is false because one of the element is greater than 10. But in the second one, it is all of them are less than 10, so it is true. One of them is greater than 10, so it is false. This one is collectively all the elements, one of them is greater than 10, so it is false. Okay, make it 3. All of them are less than 10, so it is true. Make it this one now. This one becomes false, then automatically it also becomes false. Okay, this way you will check your elements. If all of the elements are 1, I need true. All the elements are satisfying the condition, I need true. Or if any of them is contradicting the condition, it's false. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.